I'm Chef Rebecca, culinary supervisor for Minneapolis Public Schools and chef consultant to School Nutrition Magazine. Welcome to my kitchen. Now, this month's food focus is all about tortillas, and you have to think of all the different kinds that are out there. We have our corn tortillas. Remember that these are technically raw, and they should be cooked to bring out the nuttiness and pliability. We've got a crunchy shell here. The debate is always hard or soft tacos. We have our larger burrito size, usually 2-grain wraps, then tortilla chips, and a flour tortilla. Now, there is a fabulous chart in this month's article about how and when to use these different kinds of wraps. But one of my favorite tips is actually what you do to your table to get ready to cook these. So I have my prep table here, and I'm going to use my damp sanitizer towel, and I am going to wipe my table down so that it's damp. And then I'm going to wrap it with plastic wrap. Now, you could do this with parchment paper, but the parchment paper slides. So it's just me, and I'm just going to show you 2 wraps. So I don't need my whole table covered, but it just clings right to the table because it is damp. So don't forget, that is the most important part of this, is to make sure your surface is damp. And it's obviously a little bit easier when you have that 18-inch wrap and not a home size plastic wrap for you. So here we've got our clean surface, and I have my mise en place. If you remember at the beginning of the summer on TikTok, these wraps went viral, and they are so simple. I just wanted to show you a quick way. We have our clean surface here, and our wraps, I do have a little cut in them, and I have a slice of cheese. And these are so awesome and versatile, and the students are gonna love them because, you know what, they saw it on TikTok. And you're going to want to work with 1 ingredient at a time. So if your whole table's covered, you put down all of the tortillas, then you do all of the cheese, and next we have chicken. And you kind of keep it in the 4 quadrants. Remember, I am at home, so I am not using gloves, but you would be using them in your cafeterias. So we have chicken. The commodity chicken would be great with this, maybe seasoned with a little Italian seasoning. And then I have some spinach. Next up, we will fold these. This is super simple. You're going to want that cut being faced towards you, so it makes it really simple to fold. Now, you could stuff this with deli meat, cheese, lettuce, tomato, and it would be ready to go, but I'm going to step this up just a notch. I have some pan spray. Spray my pan and move these right on there. Then I'm going to spray the top as well. And I have 2 sheet trays that are going to go right on top. I'm going to kind of press it down, and it is going to bake just like this. I'm going to clean up my surface. Ta-da! And these go in the oven, and I will take out the ones that I already have in there to show you. Here we go. You can see that they have become nice and crispy and melty, and that chicken and cheese and spinach is just Fabulous. Like I said, these are super versatile. You can put all kinds of ingredients, but it's a great way to use up some of the items in your kitchen and get creative. And like I said, the kids are going to love this because they've seen it on TikTok. But make sure to check out also the other recipes in Food Focus this month, and we hope you love the tortilla story as much as we did. That's a wrap.